What if I told you that in just 5 seconds every morning, before you even have breakfast, you could wake up your legs and stop them from getting weaker each day? You don't need a gym weights or expensive supplements. All you need is your own body. A little consistency and one simple move done right when you wake up. It's called the standing pulse. And the best part is it takes less time than brushing your teeth. Before you leave your bed, place both feet flat on the floor. Tighten your thighs, press your heels down, and count slowly to 5. That's it. You might think something that simple can't make a difference. But inside your body, something powerful is happening. That small 5-second movement wakes up the circulation in your legs. It sends blood and oxygen rushing into your muscles, the exact signal your body needs to rebuild strength and balance. For years, we've been told that muscle comes from heavy workouts and long gym sessions. But the truth is, it starts with simple daily activation. A message to your body that says, I still need these muscles. Keep them strong. If you make this a part of your morning routine, you'll start noticing small but powerful changes. Your legs won't feel as heavy when you stand up. Climbing stairs won't feel like a challenge anymore, and you'll walk a little taller with more confidence. That's how the body rewards consistency. One small effort multiplied every single day. You don't need hours in the gym. You don't need fancy diets. Just 5 seconds every morning. 5 seconds to tell your body it's time to stay strong. Because the moment you stop using your strength, you start losing it. But the moment you remind your body what it's capable of, it listens. Start tomorrow morning before you reach for your phone. Before the rush of the day begins, place your feet on the ground and take 5 slow, strong seconds for yourself. You'll be surprised how something so small can change the way you move. Walk and live just 5 seconds every morning. That's all it takes to wake up your legs before the world does.